Hi everybody, this is Sweatshirt, back another day with another Supreme unboxing. And as usual, I'm gonna start off with complaining a bit. Usually I buy, you know what I mean, I order every product by itself. So I have to pay shipping for every product, um, taxes for every product, etc. etc. Used one sticker this time and really beaten up. That was not nice. Either way, so this time I wanted two items, and I predicted that there were no hype about these products. I wanted this hoodie in pink and the textured small box sweatshirt. And the sweatshirts never go. It's only us older guys that like those. And I really wanted that one. That one was the product that I wanted the most, or the item that I wanted the most. But this time I put them both in my basket and wanted to purchase them both. Everything went through. I did a bank ID thing on my phone, everything. And then it was processing and processing and processing. And I checked via my phone, both the pink hoodie and the textured sweatshirt were available for at least 1.5 hours, at least. So I didn't know if I was going to cancel my order and put in a new order or what I should do. But we have learned during all these years that if it says processing, you just let it be. Don't close the window or anything. 5 or 6 hours later, I called the bank. They couldn't see any money being withdrawn. The sweatshirt were sold out, and I got the white hoodie instead. And it's kind of cool. It didn't sell out. I think one of the colors sold out. Probably the pink one that I wanted the most. So this one is just called Jeweled. I didn't get any receipt either. So just one sticker messed up and no receipt. So I assume that UPS has been opening my packages as usual. It looks kind of big. A couple of years ago, sorry for that noise. A couple of years ago, Supreme changed their sizes. The material is not that usual either. They changed their sizes, so they went bigger. So usually I was XL, perfect XL. Sometimes I even wanted something bigger. Today I'm a large instead. But when they do collabs and etc., they usually go with the sizes from the other companies. So let's say they do with Lacoste or Nike, then they use Lacoste sizes and Lacoste or Nike sizes. But here we have this hoodie. Looks super silly actually. Something that a 9-year-old girl did at school. And I'm a bit worried about how it's gonna last in the washing machine. Super silly. But of course I'm gonna put it on so you can see the sizing. I am in other clothes L to XL. Usually I go with XL because that's the safe size for me. I'm 186 centimeters tall, and today I weigh roughly 92 kilos. I like to wear my clothes a bit big, a bit loose. So I usually go with XL, but today, the last 2 years with Supreme, I go with large instead. So I hope this will fit. It is actually kind of cool. I just saw it in the mirror with the lights on it, and it really blinks. So it is actually kind of cool. The sizing is, first of all, the material isn't as your standard Supreme hoodies. Supreme hoodies are usually very thick in the material, very heavy. This is something in between. It's not like your Nike sweatshirt or hoodie. It's something in between. So it's a bit softer. But still we have this sizing problem with Supreme. It is large. I could say that it is almost as an XL, except from the arms. The length of the arm could be a little bit longer, but this, I don't know who will ever fill out this. I really hope that none of you guys are that fat that your underarms are like the size of my thighs. I don't get it. Why not do a nice fitment of the clothes? I don't get it. Yeah, we like it when it feels baggy, but this right here, for what use is this? So yeah, a bit short in the body, a bit short in the arms, but if I would go XL, this would be fitting for I don't know, elephant. But it's cool. It's cool. You see the blinging. I'm gonna put on the flashlight as well on the camera so you will see. I do like it. I don't know if it will do any difference because I have the light right there, but now the light on the camera is on. So it should be blinging a bit more. Also, these are much slimmer. Sorry for my phone. These are much slimmer than on your standard Supreme hoodie. So this is not your standard Supreme hoodie quality. Still feels nice, but we're used to that super thick. And the fitment, yeah, Supreme fitment could be better. Man, come on. What is this? And loose threads. But it's cool. It's Supreme. The price for me was 230 euros on the receipt from Supreme, but then I know when it comes to Sweden and I see the amount that they withdraw from the bank is almost always more. So I would say 250 euros maybe for this one. Resale price, I don't know, I don't care. The white one was probably the last one to sell out because I wanted the pink one, then I wanted the blue one. White is always nice, but with this coloring, I would prefer to have, I don't know, a bit more. I hope you like my video. Please subscribe. If you have that navy blue textured sweatshirt for sale in Europe in large or XL large, hit me up. Please subscribe or consider subscribing. I got a bunch of unboxing videos and reviews, Supreme sneakers, etc., etc. So that's for me this time. Thanks.